Hey friends, we're going to go ahead and install a window by ourselves. Okay, so on a self-install, you have to set up everything before you have the window in your hand. So what I did is I have shims and I put the thick end in the opening where the thick end is towards the outside of the window. So what that does is that gives me a little bit of wiggle room. I can go up and down on stuff. So I put the window, before I did that, I measured the opening, made sure I'm good on the opening size, so that way the window opening is not too big or too small. I get the window in my hand and it won't go in. So that's the first thing. Pre-measure before you got the window in your hand. The window opening is great. So now we can put the window opening in. I set it on top of the shims. So now what I'm gonna do, now that it's in there, I don't have to really push hard against, I don't have to push hard against the window. All I have to do is make sure it doesn't fall back out. I just don't want it falling out and ruining the window or hurting anybody. So now I'm going to take my level, I'm going to put it on the bottom of the window, and I'm going to look for a high side. So right now I'm showing that this side is high. If I look at my level, my bubble is high on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tack that side, because what I can't do, I can't go down, but I can go up. So I'm going to tack this side with a nail. Oh, before I do that, I almost forgot. We want to center it in the opening. So what I usually do is slide it from side to side, and then I mark. So I slide it one way all the way to that side, make a mark, slide it back the other way, make a mark, and then I see where I'm at, how much room I have between those two marks, and then I want to split the difference and slide it over to that mark. So I basically will have 3 marks, and I'll slide it over to the middle mark. That is splitting the difference between this side and the other side. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and re-level, see if that changed anything, and it did not. So I'm still high. I'm still high on this corner right here. So I'm going to put a nail in this corner. Okay, so I put one nail in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mark down here, and I'm going to lift it up all the way to where it can't go up any higher. I'm going to make another mark. So I have 2 marks down here. I'm physically lifting up this window. Now if I had someone else inside, I'd have them lift it up with a little pry bar and then stick a shim in there when it was level. But since I'm by myself, and you can do this by yourself, it's just a little bit more difficult, I'm pushing it up, and it's a lot better. The level looks a lot better, so I need to actually push it up all the way. If I didn't need to push it up all the way, I'd let it come down a little bit at a time, and I'd watch the level, and where it showed level, then I would make a mark there and set it to that. So before I nail this, I want to check it for plumb. So now I know it has to go up all the way, so I can let it down a little bit, push it up all the way, and now I'm going to check it for plumb. And when I push it up all the way, it shows really good. That shows exactly where it needs to be. So that's kind of like a check on that. It's kind of a check this way. If that shows really good when I do what this needs, that's what we want. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to nail the side, push it up all the way, get my nail, And I don't really like to let off until I get 2 nails in there, just in case. Okay, so now I got a nail down here, 2 nails over here. I'm gonna go ahead and double check it. Make sure I'm good on the bottom. It looks good. The side, which also looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a nail in every single hole that we have here. All right, so now I have it all nailed in. Now I want to go inside. I want to unlock the window, raise it up and down, and make sure it functions well. All right, friends, so that is how you set a window by yourself. Thanks for watching.